Hi guys, welcome back to SpeedCube Ninja. Today I'm going to show you some really easy algorithms from full OLL. This will help you save a lot of time during your solves. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel as this motivates me to make future content. Let's go. Case 1. This case is a very easy shape and it's a P-shape algorithm. You keep the straight line on the right side. So the algorithm goes F prime, U prime, L prime, U, L, F, and you solve the top face. Case 2. This next case is very similar to the previous case, but we have the edge piece at the back. For this, we keep it in this angle and we do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, and we have solved the top face. Case 3. This is one of those life-saving algorithms which may help you get a PB. To identify this case, we have a T horizontally and we have one edge piece facing us and the other one behind. So we keep it in this horizontal format and do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Case 4. This next case is very similar to the previous case, but we have a yellow block here and one behind. To solve this, we do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. This last and final case for this video is a square shaped case. To identify this case, you have a square on the top right side and a block facing you here and another one here. To solve this, we keep it on the top right side and do wide R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, wide R prime. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe down below and like this video. Do not forget to join my Discord server and answer my Google forms both in the description down below.